Hello everybody, my name is Pablo and this is my first attempt at making a YouTube video. And what I wanted to do for a while now, so it took me a little bit to collect everything that I needed, is to make an unboxing of 4 different plastic molds, plastic lure molds from 4 different companies. And yeah, you'll see that I opened them just to make sure that the molds were actually in there, but I haven't even uh, taken a look at what the molds look like. I got the last one today, and that's why the video today. And the purpose behind this is that I want to make a head-to-head video to see which of these craws uh, looks better, and hopefully which one works better. So beginning by let's open this one. I don't know if anybody by seeing this uh, can already know or tell which company it's coming from, but this is called KDM. KDM, KDM Molds. You could go on the website to hereby.dm.com. It says made in the US. And this is a one cavity 3.5 single I already said that one cavity, single cavity CRAW. And it looks pretty good. I want to see. Oh, okay. So it's obviously not a mirror image because you can see on this side it doesn't have the grooves or the ribs that this one has. Um, the claws look pretty solid, and it actually even has an indentation in it right here. And it has it on both sides, so I'm guessing that once we pour this one, we'll have a a thicker type, a little bit heavier type um, part of the plastic there. So it's not just going to be a flimsy part. And it has, it looks like, just 4 legs. Yeah, it looks pretty well made. Definitely the big test will be once we shoot it. So let's just put this one on the side. And this is again from KDM Molds. This one right here is from Angling A.i, and I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen this before. Again, I opened it up. I took um, the wrapper from it and haven't opened it yet. So you can tell this came locked. Uh, it doesn't have any writings or engravings, so you would think that it would at least give you a top and bottom, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like, if it's different or if it's like this mold that we just opened, that it seems to be non-symmetrical. Oh, okay. Alrighty. So this one looks like it is symmetrical. Well, maybe a little bit of difference here at the back part of it. You see right in the center. But this one has a little bit of different texture to those claws. I think it has a little bit longer antennas, and instead of 4, it has 4 different legs, and they're split at the end. So interesting to see how this one will shoot. I've never shot any of these before. Looks also well made, pretty solid. But again, we don't want to make this too long. So let's just move on to the next mold. And the next one will be this way. Uh, this one is from, oh, this is Epic, and you guys can see that it's not even open. This is from Epic Molds, and the only reason I know that it's from Epic is because this was the first one that I received. There you go, Epic Bait Molds. And I tried to find similar similar molds so that they can be comparable. This one, it's engraved. It says back. It says that it's a 3.4-inch glory craw, 3 cavity, and this is the belly. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. Oh, this one looks very different. Very different. The claws are totally different. I like those, but that doesn't mean that uh, I'm gonna end up liking these the best. Who knows, right? That's what we're doing this for. Just want to make sure that we give everybody the chance, and then we'll let you guys decide how you want to do this and what would be your favorite one. Remember that we're not doing this to put a company against another one. We're doing it most likely to inform you of what's out there, what works, what might be the best bang for your buck. And at the end of the day, it's just going to depend on what you want to uh, purchase. So, well, you might even have experience with. So, let's take a look at this. This is a new company that I just found. I want to say over the weekend, maybe, and this was shipped. Um, it was shipped pretty quick, and this was actually the one that I was waiting for, and it just came in today. I checked that it was in here, and this looks like a pretty good crawl. This feels pretty solid. The company is QMI Tackle. And this is a 4-inch instead of the 3.4 and the 3.5s. But again, it's kind of like comparable with the rest. And it does have the marking on the one side, not on the back side. But I guess once you start using it, you'll get used to which one's the front and which one's the back. This is also 3 cavity. And this one looks pretty cool as well. 8 legs instead of the 2 and 3 that we saw before. And this one looks to be symmetrical as well. This one looks to be uh, the one side. Oh, you know what? I just noticed uh, this one has the straight grooves, the lines this way. And this one doesn't have that. It's a little bit more like phased out, kind of like very shallow um, lines. So maybe that would be the way to tell which one's which, either top or bottom. So, okay, guys, this is going to be all for this video. Also, this looks well made as well. I've been in talks with the owner of this company for the past few days, just making sure that we were getting a pretty good crawl comparable to the other companies. This feels pretty solid to me. And this company, I had never heard of it. I'm pretty sure most of you guys had, but I had never heard of it, and I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressive. Not only the customer service, but also the quality, the feel of it. So we'll put them to the test and see what happens. So, like I said, I just want to do like a little head to head. So please let me know in the comments which one of these you want to see. I want to do 2 first, or either these 2 or these 2. It doesn't matter which order. I want to do 2 first, a short video with 2, and then I want to do another video of the other 2. And whoever you guys decide it's the winner, then we'll put that one against the other winner from the other video. So if you don't mind, please check it out and leave a comment which one you want. We have the KDM. Again, this is a KDM mold, and it's a 3.5 crawl. This is the this one was, I want to say, was the Angling A.i. Yep, this is the Angling A.i. Okay, and this one is the Epic Bait Molds. Okay, I'm liking that one too. I'm really liking that one. But we're looking for the quality of the lure once it's shot, and we'll go exclusively for that, not the design. Although I know the design is also important. And then this is the QMI 4-inch crawl. So let me know in the comments down below which ones you want to see against which, and because I know I'm just starting on YouTube, if I don't have many comments, I'll just make the decision to record a video of exactly why I just explained, and hopefully you guys will see them later on. Right? So for now, see you in the next video.